If you want to update Fortnite on the Epic Games launcher, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step. Whether Fortnite is already updating automatically or you need to force the launcher to check for the latest version, I'll show you exactly what to click so you can get back into the game faster. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Epic account, especially if you have multiple accounts or multiple games installed. Once the launcher is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Library. This is where all of your installed games are listed, including Fortnite. Now look for Fortnite in your library. In many cases, if there is an update available, the launcher will begin downloading it automatically. You may notice that the button changes from launch to update, or you may see a download progress bar start right away. If that happens, just let the launcher finish updating Fortnite before you try to play. It's always best to wait until the update is fully complete so you don't run into errors when the game opens. If Fortnite does not begin updating automatically, don't worry, because there are a couple of easy ways to force it. First, find the three dots below the Fortnite game tile. Click those dots to open the options menu. From there, choose Manage. In the Manage settings, make sure Auto Update is turned on. This tells the Epic Games launcher to keep Fortnite updated whenever a new version is available. If Auto Update was off, turning it on may immediately trigger the launcher to check for updates. If Fortnite still is not updating, another great option is to use the Verify feature. Go back to the same three-dot menu under Fortnite, click it, and select Verify. This makes the launcher scan Fortnite's game files and check for anything missing or outdated. If it finds files that need to be replaced, it will download the correct version and help force the update process. This is especially useful if the launcher seems stuck, the update won't start, or Fortnite is acting like it's already current when you know a newer version is out. While the update is running, keep the Epic Games launcher open and avoid closing it or putting your computer to sleep. A stable internet connection also helps prevent the download from pausing or failing halfway through. If your update seems slow, give it a few minutes, because large Fortnite updates can take a little time depending on your connection speed and system performance. Once the update finishes, the button should switch back to launch. At that point, Fortnite is ready to open with the latest version installed. Just click launch and you should be good to go. If you had any issues before, updating through the Epic Games launcher usually fixes a lot of common problems like version mismatch errors, login issues, or being unable to join matches. So to recap, open Epic Games launcher, go to Library, let the update run automatically if it starts, or use the three dots under Fortnite to open Manage, turn on Auto Update, or choose Verify to force the launcher to check for updates. That's the fastest way to make sure Fortnite is fully updated on Epic Games launcher. If this guide helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials, fixes, and gaming tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy the game.